Good morning friends. Today I will teach you a very important topic, scale. Every year you will find questions are asked from this topic in GATE architecture paper. Let us start. How you would define scale? A scale is defined as the ratio between distance of the plan divided by the distance on the ground. Okay. Now there are three types of scale. Number one, large scale, medium scale and small scale. What is large scale? Large scale is defined as if 1 meter is represented as 1 centimeter in the plan. Medium scale, that is in 1 centimeter it is represented 10 meter to 100 meter. And the small scale means in 1 centimeter it is represented more than or the greater than 100 meter. Now, before starting of the numerical, please note down this formula in your notebook. This is very handy and useful. So, let us start the few things which you have to remember. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 hectare, that is I have put a star mark because 2 times this question is asked in the GATE architecture paper. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So please keep it in your mind. Now I have given few more points that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, just now we have seen. So 1 meter square will be what? 100 square. That means 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. Now 10,000 meter square is equal to how much centimeter square? 10 to the power 8 centimeter square. Correct? So 1 hectare is equal to 10 to the power 8 centimeter square, because 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square, and it is also equal to 10 to the power 8 centimeter square. Please note down all these conversions in your notebook and repeat it 10 times in your mind, so that this formula you should never forget and it will help you while you are doing the numerical. The last point is over here, that as we have seen, scale is equal to distance of plan divided by the distance on the ground. Now, if we are dealing with the area, that is the plan area and the land area, that is the area of the plan and the area of the actual land or ground. So, in that case, the formula goes like this way. Plan area divided by the land area, it is equal to scale square. Let us see past year GATE paper. A site in a map drawn to a scale of 1:16,000 measures 75 square centimeter. The actual area of the site in hectares is option A 142, option B 162, option C 192, option D 256. Let us see how to solve the problem. In the problem, scale is given as 1:16,000. Map area is given as 75 square centimeter. We have to find the actual area. Now what we have learned, that the scale square equal to map area divided by the actual area. So put the value of scale 1/16,000 square is equal to, what is the map area? 75. We have to find the actual area. Let us tell it as capital A. So capital A comes out to be 192 into 10 raised to 8 centimeter square, because 75 the map area was given in square centimeter, so the answer will also come in centimeter square. Now in hectare, how much it will be? It will be 192 hectares, because 10 to the power 8 centimeter square equal to 1 hectare. So this answer converts into 192 hectares. Let us see another question. A 4 centimeter by 4 centimeter area on a map represented a land area of 16 hectares. If this map is transformed to a scale of 1:5,000, the same ground area will be represented by option A 80 square, option B 30 square, Option C 64 square. Option D 40 square. Let us see how to solve this problem. Land area is given as 16 hectare. New scale is given as 1:5000. We have to find the map area. Now what is the formula? Formula is scale square equal to map area by land area. So 1/5000 square equal to map area divided by land area is given as 16. So the map area comes out to be 16 into 1/5000 square into hectares. Please take care in the calculation. In the problem, the land area is given in hectare, so our answer will automatically come in hectare. Now we have to convert it into centimeter square. Now from hectare, how we will convert it into centimeter square? We have to multiply by 10 to the power 8, because 1 hectare equal to 10 to the power 8 centimeter square. So if we convert it, it comes out to be 64 square centimeter. Let us see another question. If the scale of the map is 1:30,000, then 1 square centimeter area of map would represent land area in hectares. Option A 9, option B 15, option C 17.30, option D 30. Let us see how to solve the problem. Let us see how to solve the problem. Here scale is given as 1:30,000. Map area is given as 1 square centimeter. Land area in hectare we have to find out. What is the formula? Scale square equal to map area by land area. Now scale means 1/30,000. So 1/30,000 square equal to map area is 1 centimeter square divided by land area is capital A. So A comes out to be 9 into 10 raised to 8 centimeter square. In hectare, how much it will be? In hectare, it will be 9 hectare. Why? Because 10 to the power 8 centimeter square equal to 1 hectare. So this 9 into 10 raised to 8 centimeter square will be 9 hectares. Another question. 1 centimeter square area on a map represents 9 hectares. What is the scale of the map? Option A 1:300. Option B 1 centimeter equal to 30 meters. Option C 1:30,000. Option D none of the above. Let us see how to solve it. Let us see how to solve the problem. Map area is given as 1 square centimeter. Land area is given as 9 hectares. 9 hectare means 9 into 10 raised to 8 centimeter square. Now what is the formula? Scale square equal to map area by land area. So what will be the scale? Scale will be under root of map area by land area. What is map area? 1. What is land area? 9 is to 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to 8. So if you square root it, we are getting 1 by 3 into 10 raised to 4. That means 30,000. So scale comes out to be 1:30,000. Another question. The actual roof area of a building is 3,60,000 square meter, which on a site plan measures 25 square centimeter. The scale of the site plan is 1:2. We have to find out what is the answer. Let us see how to solve it. Let us see how to solve this problem. Actual area is given as 3,60,000 square meter. That means 3,60,000 multiplied by 10 to the power 4 square centimeter. That means 36 into 10 raised to 8 square centimeter. Correct? Now map area is given as 25 square centimeter. What is the formula for scales? Scale square equal to plan area by map area. So what will be the scale? Scale will be under root of plan area by map area. Plan area is 25. Map area is 36 into 10 raised to 8. That comes out to be 5 divided by 6 into 10 raised to 4. So in ratio format, if we express, it will be 1:12,000. So the answer is scale is equal to 1:12,000.